Tootsie. No sucking on my bottles today. You got this? You got this. But you can't suck on them. And no following. Either of you. I'm watching you. Look at that guy doing his air cud, chewing his head. Hello, how are you this morning? Hello, the one that is chewing it, that's his mom. We have a new baby. 120 had her baby. There's a bunch of new babies out here. Oh, I'm gonna fall over in the shit. You were just trouble. How are you feeling this morning, baby? Why that? Just not you, the other one. It doesn't look very... Oh, your eyes are bright, though. How are you feeling this morning, huh? You said you were up running around, no? I'm kind of panting, though, yet. You can't have them. I'm looking for my baby. You is not my babies no more. You's all got babies of your own. Weirdos. It's my baby. That's not my baby. That's not my baby. Where is my baby? Baby. There you are. So, okay. Buttholes. You guys are buttholes. There, anyways. Now my camera's all nasty too. You try to videotape and feed and do this other thing. Oh, don't suck on the bottle. How old are you? For shit's sakes, man. Just because I used to feed, leave it alone. Be gone with you. Stop. You freak. You're how old already? Don't suck on my bottle. Leave it alone. Bad cat. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Hold up. This isn't working. Okay. So we lost a couple of calves. That's the name of the game. Saved a couple of calves. It's the calf I had in the hut. It's the twin to 123's other heifer or bull that she didn't want this one. I also just picked one up out of the ditch. There was a prolapse uterus on a first calf heifer this morning. I still have to go over there and take that afterbirth out of that one yet. The prolapse uterus, I called the vet for that one. No way. I mean, I can help, but I am not set up skillfully. I mean, I've done it before. That's not the thing. It's just they're heavy and sedation and all that. I don't know how much to give. I mean, I could learn, but that's just not. I'll call the vet. Anyways, two wonderful men, vets. I can't remember their names. Put it back in. She's in the barn. You're weird. So anyways, this one's out here because I thought I was going to put her on another cow that lost a calf, and the cow doesn't want her. So here I am, feeding a bottle. Yeah. See the babies out there? Yeah, I gotta go give the curly one a shot of selenium. It's not doing good. Gave it a shot yesterday. Looked like they had pneumonia. Bro, you guys can't beat her up. She's the one eating, not... You're the worst bottle thief. Get out of here. Not on my pail. Come on, baby. Are you hungry? Or did you find a mama? Which is also okay, because then I don't have to come and feed you. Which I'm thinking maybe you did find a mama. No? Did you find a mama or not? No, you didn't find a mama? Did you find a mama? You didn't find a mama. But you also don't look empty. So maybe you found a mama? Am I still gonna be your mama? Oh, you need a shot. That's all right. We got pills in here. Are you? You're a little crusty in the eyeballs. No licking the legs. Oh, you guys knock my pails over. Leave them alone. Oh, don't lick my pail. Okay, so, you guys are obnoxious. Be long gone. Gone. Gone with you. Leave my pail alone. You are evil. Yeah. Yeah, I know, you found yourself a baby. This is your baby, and you have no milk, but that's okay, because everybody needs a buddy. You teach her the ways of the cow. All right, that's one. Okay, baby. Get out my butt. Be gone with you. Leave my pail alone. Oh my God, you guys are worse than baby calves. Get out of here. You can't have it. I feel like I'm gonna get mugged. The circle's getting smaller. Here's my circle. There's no sun, but there's sun. Okay, so oh, that excitement. Yep, yeah, see, this is her mom. Oh, wait. No, she's gonna come back. You gonna try that on that one? Maybe she'll let you. Like this can be your mom, huh? How's your eyes? You look a little... Okay, so... Yo, don't beat up the pail. Let's do 2 bottles, man. I don't know how much you figure you're gonna eat today. But... if you guys all want to be her mom... What? Little Red, you're such a butthole. Why don't somebody please be... not in my butt. Sorry. I don't like slime on my skin. It's just not cool. I gotta be like one of the... I love what I do and I never trade it for anything. But I don't like calf slime on my butt. Okay. So...